Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how to record a Zoom meeting. So simply I'm just provide full guide. Okay, alright. So at first join a meeting. Press on to join. Okay, alright. Now I'm join a meeting. Press on to audio. Make sure to enable audio and video. Press on to more option. As you can see, showing it to record option. Just press on to send request. Okay, when accept this request, then you get record button. Press on when showing it to red mark. Now start the recording. Okay, press on to arrow option if you want to pause a recording or stop recording. When you press on stop this recording, and as you can see, now record this Zoom meeting. So that's it.